yeah.
Hey, this is Captain LJ, GI Jigs, and we've been out fishing. This is Aaron Hawksmore and Raph. Howdy, Raph. So, we're out here fishing today. Wasn't a great bite, but we caught plenty of fish. A lot of smalls. We had a week for your fish. I guess our biggest fish was like inches. So, what was your go-to today?
Alright, my go-to, well, I have the special head that LJ just gave to me.
Yeah, that's your special color.
Months ago.
You've been fishing there for what, 2 years?
2 years,
Yeah.
It's been
When you come in my boat, I have that jig head.
He's always got it ready, prepared.
Right on, man.
Ready. I got
Let him see it, man. That's it. So what it is, it's a bright green back with red eyes and a white body. And so you like the hot pink today, right?
The hot pink was
Hot
working
pink was
today.
today.
It was working today. Nice 7-inch hot pink.
Right on. Fish after fish.
Yes.
And then what do you got here? What was your go-to?
We got on the GI Jigs go-to 1 ounce jig head with 7-inch Bustin baits chartreuse. Caught 4 or 5, 19 and 3/4. But it was a good day today. We had to put in a lot of hard work, but it was fun.
Yeah, we started out small with our baits today. We had screwed up baits here. 5-inch series. A couple of, this is a 3/4 ounce. But while we're out here, I mean, the wind got came. So we get out here and it's a blow, man. It just starts howling. And get the baits down, it was difficult. The 3/4 we bumped up to the 1 ounce. And we took off the skirts and small profile, get some bait down deeper in the water. And then once we pumped up the bait size from 5 inches, 7 inches.
That's right.
I guess it's common sense. This is what I was using. I call that the bush hook. It's got an orange bag with a white body and a clear chartreuse bait. It's 1 ounce series. And if you want to see, here's the 3/4 ounce head and the 1 ounce head there, the go-to series. The 5-inch baits, man. But we had some fun here matching the hatch. I was tinkering around with one of, I made a mold by myself, and you can see the twist in that bait. So basically what you want to do is you want to cast it out. You crank, how'd you fish that, Raph?
I let it
Nailed it.
Yeah,
This
I did.
bait, man.
I let it sink a good 5 seconds, and then I just ripped it. I ripped it down, and luckily probably between 10 feet and 20 feet, he grabbed it. It was a hard fight.
And you just crank it in and
Cranked
just
it.
nail it, right?
That is right. I didn't have to do much. The bait did it. The lure did
Yeah,
everything.
because of the twist in the bait, it makes it spin like a spoon, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And it's got the reflective tape, and it looks like those minnows that are out there. Right? So I think today the bait that fish were feeding on were a lot of minnows and a lot of small fish. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.